Hello everybody, this is Lady Dirtbag and we are in one of my very favorite national parks. We're in Arches and we're about to do a hike, the one hike I've never done here, called Fiery Furnace. And the reason I've never done it is you need a special permit, which means you need to plan in advance. And this is the perfect time to do it. It's February and I cannot wait to see this place. This is what they call biological crust. So when they say in national parks, especially in the West, don't bust the crust, they don't want you walking on that because you're basically destroying decades of life that builds, that helps prevent erosion and preserves the environment out here. This hike has a variety of beautiful old juniper trees that are just down to the wood now. They're just part of the landscape. So these cool little pockets in the rock have names, and it's escaping me right now, but they're pretty cool. So these rock formations behind me, these are known as fins. Fins eventually erode away and become arches. And you know, this whole area in Arches and Canyonlands, it's all sandstone, but there are many different types of sandstone. And these fins and arches are made out of Entrada sandstone. Oh my gosh. I'm committed to this slot canyon now, people. Wow, this is probably the skinniest one I've ever been in. Like I'm having to... This one I'm gonna have to crawl just to get through. So this entire section, including that slot canyon I just went in, is actually not part of the official trail. Part of the fun is going off trail, you know, and you know, not busting the crust or going on the dunes. They don't like that. But if you're on a wash or on rock, they encourage you to go on some side trips as long as you don't get lost. Oh, it's skinny in here. On this hike you can find all these fun little caves and go exploring. They're usually dead ends and you gotta turn around and go back, but it's always fun to see. This one's not as skinny as some of those others. I can actually walk and talk at the same time and hold this camera. Haha. I think we're getting close to the end, but it's hard to tell because there are no mileage markers and can't trust GPS because we've been wandering all over in caves and all kinds of places. So, but it's so beautiful in here, I almost don't want it to end. All right, we're all done. That was pretty cool. You should definitely check out Fiery Furnace. Just remember, you need reservations. Thanks for watching. I'd love a like or a subscribe to Lady Dirtbag. That would be awesome. Have a great day. See ya.